Ninja Desire!
Hey! What's up, my peoples? EmGo here, the freaking geek himself, and today we will be reviewing the Kamen Rider Geats DX Ninja Raise Buckle. So here we are, and there it is. And first and foremost, as always, we'll take a quick look at the packaging. Right up front here, we have the buckle, we have Geats, we have Tycoon. Up top, we have the driver. On this side, we have the buckle. On this side, the Desire Grand Prix Ninja Raise Buckle. On the bottom, warning, don't eat anything in this box that could be very bad for you. On the back of the box, you have your obligatory product shots. It does this, that, the other things and stuff. And of course, we have Sad Pac-Man. And that's basically it for the packaging. And moving right along, here we have the Ninja Raise Buckle, one of our newest raise buckles on the show. As you can see, it's another one of the big ones. It's a big buckle. But let's get in close here so we can take a look at the details. You got lots of transparent plastic going on here, some tampograph details. You can see some gears in there. You have a big old shuriken done in green and like a very dark gray. You have some of that dark gray up top as well. The little handle itself is molded to look like a what's it called? A kunai? I believe that's what it is. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, it's supposed to be like the handle of a kunai, I believe. But yeah, all in all, looks pretty cool. And then you have the back. I mean, your typical, buckle stuff going on back here. You got a QR code if you want to scan it. Go ahead, free scan on me. You're welcome. And yeah, and this buckle activates via pulling this handle. Pull it out, let it go. And it will provide you with a fresh breeze right before he kills you. No, anyway, but yeah, you can see the gears going off in there as the shuriken spins. So yeah, it makes for a very cool effect. Whee! That is refreshing. So without further ado, let's bring in the Desire driver and our friend the Rider can, because if the Rider can, you can. So let's get down to it. And henshin. There you go, ninja ready, fights! So there you have that. Now do the attack, just pull again. And you have your ninja strike and explosions. Oh, explosions! And now we'll do a combo here with ninja and arrow. Fight!
Ninja Arrow victory.
And you get your victory. And now we'll do ninja and boost. There you go, and we'll do our attack.
Ninja boost victory.
Some ninja boost in victory.
Boost time. Ninja boost grand victory.
And you have your grandest of victory, so there you go. And now the Magnum Shooter 40X.
Ninja. Tactical blast.
And again, you can use the buckle itself to activate the attack.
Ninja. Tactical blast.
And again, provides you with a lovely breeze right before it blasts you into oblivion. But anyway.
Rifle. Ninja. Tactical blast.
So there you go. So there you have the Ninja Raise buckle. And yeah, cool buckle. I like the design. I like how it works. I like it. I dig it. Some more buckle goodness for your buckling shelf of buckleness. So there you go. Now I picked this up from CS Toys, but of course there are many other sites you can go to for stuff like this if you are interested, such as Hobby Link Japan, Ami, Hobby Search, Mandarake, of course, as always, eBay and Amazon. You can also go to BigBadToyStore.com for Kamen Rider Geats items. I'll put a link to their site in the description down below so you can check that out. You can also check out my Geats playlist for any reviews you may have missed. Also linked in the description down below so you can check that out as well. And I think that's it, so don't forget to check out EmGo's, check out Love Peace Paranormal, follow me on Twitter, all of that good stuff down in the description below, and I think that's pretty much all there is to say. So, there is the Kamen Rider Geats DX Ninja Raise Buckle, and this is EmGo saying, remember, you don't stop playing because you grow old because you stop playing. Be geek, be proud, palm in your face.